Recent rainfall across the Concho Valley has eased watering restrictions, keeping our yards green and gardens alive. However, it's not a matter of if, but rather when the next dry spell will leave us searching for water solutions. One San Angelo man has an answer. Matt Madigan reports.
At any given moment or location on Earth's surface, we are immersed in water. Whether outdoors or indoors, you are taking a bath in water vapor, the invisible gaseous form of our precious commodity, H2O. What if we could construct a device that could extract some of this water vapor from the atmosphere on a rain-free day, turning it into usable liquid water using the same principle that causes water to condensate on the glass of an ice-cold beverage? Last year marked year number 4 of an already painful drought, and it got one San Angelo man, Steve Diaz, thinking.
We were going through a severe drought. So, when push comes to shove, you start, thinking outside the box and finding different ways that you could, create some water.
Steve's idea centered on using condensation, or the idea of taking a substance, like water, and changing it from a gas to a liquid. Yet the ingenious part of his design was in the simplicity of the system's parts.
Basically, it's a 4-inch, 40 scheduled PVC pipe. It's introduced underneath the house in a series of loops, and then it makes its way out of the house, through the foundation, into the living area, and straight into the attic and out the roof. It's a standalone system. It is not run off of a mechanical, electrical, wind, or any other type of energy. It runs by itself. It's actually nature doing what it does. You're just giving it a pathway.
Air is heated at the end of the pipe that runs through the attic, which forces air in this part of the pipe up and out of the system. That creates a suction of air at the other end of the pipe located in the backyard. That air is transported about 7 feet underground and cooled to temperatures in the 50s. If the dew point of the air being drawn into the pipe is higher than the temperature underground, liquid water is condensed out. And because the pipe is sloped underground, water droplets slide back to a collection tank and then can be brought back to the surface using something like a solar-powered pump.
Once it's up to the surface, you can have it on a pond. You can create a little waterfall in the back where you can water the trees or garden or whatever you may want to do with that.
It's a great example of how some homegrown ingenuity can help keep us a little more green, even when the rain refuses to fall. Matt Madigan, KSAN News.